My name is Saul Goodman, and did you know that you have the right to watch this What the Condor video?
But that means I get to do this. Fish. Fish.
I knocked out Condor, and then the fish knocked me out.
Ow. Sir.
Oh, I love the fish.
We only have so much bridge. I think you were just last to die.
This time I was on the outside. Wow.
That's mean.
Yeah. Yeah.
I love
it.
lights.
I love it when the poor fight. Oh no.
Xena is the party animal.
I know she's just a fucking pissing animal.
Yeet.
Fish.
I didn't deserve that.
Start climbing,
Fish.
asshole!
Must stop this menace. Yeet.
Come back, bitch!
Plunger.
Okay,
Ah, I got
Jack.
plunger on you. You
put
look
on my
stupid.
dick! You put it on my dick!
You look stupid.
Plunge your penis. Look at my penis go! Look at my penis go! Look at my penis go! Just let go of my penis!
That
Hey,
you
send it,
can't
send
do
it.
that.
Boy,
That's
boy.
a flag.
You gotta send it harder.
Go!
Lateral.
Go! Oh, lateral! He's running the lateral play! Oh, back to
Flea
you, boy.
flicker.
Jesus.
I'm grabbing the duck.
Oh.
Condor, you knocked me out!
I noticed. Oh. Fumble.
Barry Sanders.
Sanders.
No!
Go!
Punt.
Go!
God damn it! You what?
I got Condor!
I'm knocked out.
Ray Lewis.
Stop him, boy! Yes!
No!
Grab the ball! Grab the ball!
I'm ball grabbing.
God damn it, Nate.
Punt.
Go, boy, go!
Where's the pass?
We did it already.
I dropped the ball.
Condor!
I'm saying like each possession.
Oh!
Not just every. No.
Ball!
Corner
Ball.
fuckery.
I think we're both dead, Jack. Ball!
Yes.
Condor, get it!
God
Yes!
damn it! I fucking punched you. Brothers.
I'm punching up top here too.
This is not how our trip to Cancun should have turned out. Stop fucking punching the ropes, you idiots!
This is exactly how we planned the trip to Cancun.
You fucking dumbass twins! You fucking... Just yeet punching the shit on a rope. Sir, stop punching the bridge! He drops back.
My team.
Still dropping back.
He's got the football.
This is assault. That's assault.
They call me Bugs Bunny. Oh, man just stole it out of my hand.
I'll be taking this. To the house. I love that. I'll be taking this. Yeah, mine.
This is mine now. Doc,
I
help
am
me.
the captain now.
You can be the captain. I'll be your first mate. Help me.
Okay, I believe you.
Help me, captain. Please.
You touch on my face.
Captain, who's this?
Bad man. Get him.
I'm climbing the poles.
Yeah, punch me.
That is Captain Jack Sparrow.
I'll take. Oh, okay. Captain,
I'll
I'll
take
take
it
care of
with
him.
me. I'm a loyal captain. Oh wait, I'm supposed to die with my ship. No. I forgot the #1 rule.
Ah. Ow. Hey, come back here.
Banana.
Ow. Banana.
I think you just gave Nene a win.
Oh no.
Banana.
Guys, I think we're tilting the planet. Ow, that was quite impolite.
Would you like a bunny, sir? Okay. I was just a bunny salesman.
Ow.
Fish.
Playing whack-a-mole. Alright, we can take care of him.
No!
Ah, no, plungers! Plungers, no! No! Not the plungers! Ow! Ow! Ah! I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so happy.
I'm so happy to be here.
Motherfucker!
You're probably wondering how I got. That's not how you use a crossbow. Oh, jeez, right against the propeller.
Uh-oh.
Bye!
Oh, that's not good for me. Whack!
What?
Who gave
There's
this
one on the
motherfucker a
floor.
taser?
Are you serious?
Yeah, apparently they're
No,
live.
long live none of us. Oh shit! Nate, help! Nate, help us! Nate, help!
No.
Alright, a nice family photo. Karen, I swear to God, you start swinging again.
Condor, come here.
Damn it, Karen! What?
Quack.
Quack.
Oh!
Banana.
Go in there.
Yeet.
Wow, I was dead. The shit out of you.
Allahu Akbar.
Oh shit!
Allahu Akbar.
No! No! I'm okay! Oh, bomb.
Hey, it's okay.
Ah!
Don't.
Slow motion explosion.
I have a bomb. Catch.
That's unfortunate.
Bye.
You guys did not catch.
Bye, Jack. You
No.
don't get a cool explosion. Alright, family
I'm
photo.
champion.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm over here whispering sweet nothings in Condor's ear.
That's it.
What the?
I just kick-flipped the racket. Superman punch.
Oh shit.
Superman punch.
Superman pack. Oh shit. That was abuse. Uh-oh. Let go of me.
Nope.
Just like when Condor goes to the park and grabs ducks. I got a toy.
Get up, get up, get
I
up.
got a toy. I got it. Ow. Condor.
Wait a second. As a podcast, why don't we sell merch? We do idiot at the site below. Grab some sweatpants for snuggling with your real existing girlfriend. Go ahead and pick up some shorts. They're like pants, but not. These $30 sandals were worn by Jesus. Buy this shirt that screams, I require immediate medical attention. Grab a phone case that is 100% guaranteed water. Buy this mug so you can break it when mom says the pizza rolls aren't ready. Get a sticker, you broke piece of shit. A shirt It's like a hoodie, but for people confident in their own body. Buy one of these hoodies if you like Taco Bell chicken quesadillas. Socks. Please check out the site or I won't get my rations.